You're probably wondering what's inside the small and medium mystery box. Well, let me tell you, it is out of control. We wanted to make sure that this Black Friday, we're not just going to ensure great value, but we wanted to ensure that you guys are going to get not just new stuff, but a big surprise. Check out what's in the small and medium mystery box. All right. I love this because this is going to literally set your designs on fire. The new Jewel Foil Kit. My gosh, 12 colors. You guys are gonna love what this is going to do to the look of your designs. Oh my gosh. An earth tone, chrome palette, metallic pigment kit. This is absolutely going to make all your customers happy for the fall and winter season. Oh yes, look at this. 4 new nude manicure colors. You guys, when you see these applied on your client's fingers, they're gonna be begging for more. And we also decided to bring back 2 discontinued colors that everyone wanted. So you're gonna get a total of 6 manicure colors in the small mystery box. And last but not least, you are going to get the new pink Shimmer fiber gel in a pot. So remember, you guys, $104.55 for only 35 buckaroos. You can't go wrong with the Young Nails Black Friday sale. What could we do this Black Friday to outperform what we did last Black Friday for the medium mystery box? We wanted to make sure that we were not just hooking you guys up with some new stuff. We wanted to give you something that has a tremendous amount of value. Check it out. Ooh-wee. Bro, you're going to get 2 500 packs of the new Cover Beige Nude Tips and Cover Pink Nude Tips. You guys, when you see what these look like, oh my gosh. In pink and in beige, right? These nude colors are going to be spectacular on your customers' hands. And last but not least, what do we have here? Oh my gosh, I'm so fired up for you guys. A UV light. That's right. 2 550 packs of the Nude Tips, a UV light. $174.90 worth of product for 65 bucks. Remember, the Young Nails Black Friday sale. Take advantage of us.
Subscribe channel now. Subscribe channel now. Sub and subscribe